Hi everyone, my name is Hsien. I'm going to bring you bring you a very interesting topic today, which is called GenMix, building multi-generational workforce. So raise hands if you have ever imagined yourself still working in your 60s. Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you. And raise hand if you ever caught yourself saying something like, Gen Z, they're so lazy. They always want speedy feedback. Or boomers, they hate changes. Nodding hands also count, thank you so much. Yes, so it's super easy to put people into generational boxes, but we all know generational boxes are actually not serving the reality because people are much more complex. My first experience with generational difference actually started with my grandma. This is my granny. And she has passed away, but she was a very, very strong woman. And she helped raise me when I was a child. And she was a very important core of our family, really raising us, being very strong, but also very caring. But in her late ages, she started to question herself like, I feel myself so useless. And I think no one is caring about me anymore. And it actually broke my heart, still now. This question actually made me think, how can someone that have contributed to the family so much started to question their value just because of their age? And this question is a leading question throughout my whole career journey, also the study. I pick up adult education and specialize in active aging education. I supported this program in Taiwan, and now in Germany, I work in a learning and development field. My core question or the core contribution that I'd like to have is really to see how we can create a workplace that every generation can shine, can really contribute. And you might ask, why do we need to talk about this question right now? Because some of you might work in a very young company, average age 60s, 40 max. This is actually not a news. So actually right now, 4 and 5 generations are sharing our workplace together. And they are having, of course, different preference in terms of communication, ways of receiving feedback, or ways they like to contribute, and also different kind of responsibilities as well. And but we're still having a very old model to see our life path. It's like study, work, and you retire, and you feel yourself very useless. So it's very important to see if we can reimagine this, if we can really create a more flexible way for people that are in their third age, which is between 50s to 70s, to contribute. Yes, it's very important. And currently, age diversity is still missing in our learning or people strategy. It's missing in the discussion, actually. What we have learned so far from our focus group is people from different ages. For example, early career, they like clarity, they like responsibility, they also like mentorship. Mid-career, they like to balance family responsibilities with their growth. People in late career, they need flexibility, but they also like to keep learning and contributing, even to be the mentor for others. So it's very important to also see not only differences from their age, but also differences from their life stages and how they can contribute to the society, to the company as well. So what I would like us to really rethink, if we are designing our next initiative, think about if you are creating or enlarging the generational gaps, or you are actually building the bridges. For example, make a GenMix community that can really give you feedback, be your sounding board for all your people initiative. I like to encourage us to build the workplace that every generation can shine. Thank you.